Hi, I'm Michael, and this is California. And across the country, people are starting to get the last of the extended unemployment money that was authorized under the LWA. And in some cases, it's a decent chunk of money, especially if it gets paid in a lump sum, like here in California, where the unemployment agency is paying out people in payments of $300, $600, or even $900 all at once. But it's important to understand that getting unemployment money, whether it's normal UI benefits, pandemic unemployment assistance, or LWA money, it may have an effect on the other programs that you're participating in. So tonight we are going over if unemployment money is taxable and how unemployment money can affect benefits like SNAP, Medicaid, or Obamacare. Now this is your 5-minute nightly dose. So let's make this quick. But before we do that, if you like this information, if you find it interesting, if you find it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you can get updates when our newest and most informative videos become available. So let's first get the taxable question out of the way. According to the IRS website, unemployment compensation is taxable and must be reported on the 2020's federal income tax return. Taxable benefits include any of the special unemployment compensation authorized under the CARES Act that was enacted back in the spring. This means that all around, whether it's the standard unemployment benefits or the pandemic unemployment benefits, the income is taxable. Now, for lost wages assistance, the LWA, and that's the program that Trump did for his executive order and is paying out folks $300 a week above and beyond their normal benefits right now, according to the Department of Labor, any money distributed by the LWA is subject to federal income tax, and the state must communicate to individuals that such payments are taxable. For unemployment, you have the option to have a portion of the benefit withheld at the time of distribution, or you can pay it back at the end of the year if you are required to. Although getting the extra unemployment benefits are a big help for many people who are struggling right now to make ends meet, the extra unemployment benefits may put somebody outside of the monthly income range for the SNAP program if they're enrolled in it. This is because SNAP is based on income and household size. Especially in those states who still have monthly reporting requirements, if you get the extra $300 a week, which in the month would be $1,200 a month, your 1 month income could put you outside of the eligibility for SNAP for at least that 1 month. Even though most people in most states are still getting the SNAP max benefits, it doesn't mean that the income requirement has been removed. Now, things like stimulus checks will actually not count towards income, but things like unemployment, LWA, or PUA money will. Now, this isn't to say you should forego any unemployment benefits. It's just for you to keep in mind if you are getting those extra benefits, don't be surprised if your SNAP benefits may be affected. For healthcare benefits, it's a bit more tricky and depends on the program that you currently have. There are two main government health programs that someone can participate in, and they count unemployment benefits different from each other. The first program is healthcare.gov, or Obamacare as most people know it. So whether you are in a state-run version of Obamacare like Covered California, or you're using the federal version like most of the rest of the country, for any of the health exchanges, LWA, PUA, PUEC, or normal unemployment benefits will count towards your modified adjusted gross income, or MAGI, which is what the exchanges use to calculate your monthly premium. The problem with this is if you miscalculate your income on the lower side, it could mean you have to pay a significant amount of money back at the end of the year when you file your taxes. Additionally, exchanges will go off your yearly income, not just your monthly income. Now, for Medicaid, which is the health program for people with low income, they will only count normal unemployment benefits, but will not count PUEC, PUA, or any of the CARES Act tax credits or stimulus payments as income that includes the LWA. Overall, the extra benefits people are receiving from unemployment, PUEC, and LWA are definitely important to help with day-to-day expenses for families who are trying to keep their head above the water. But it is just important to understand that a lot of the programs that are being used to help folks with things like food and healthcare are affected by the extra money, and in some cases can catch some people by surprise if they get the extra money but lose those other really helpful benefits temporarily. Now, this has been your 5-minute nightly dose, and I hope that you found it interesting or helpful or at least useful. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you can get updates when our newest and most informative videos become available. Also, we here at California, we know health insurance. So if you have any questions about your health insurance, leave those down below and we'll be happy to make a new video or a new post as soon as we can. Now, other than that, I'm Michael and this is California, wishing you a happy, healthy day.